I think I found a very beautiful place where to grow as a professional, as a teacher, as an instructor. I grew up in Italy, and I had both of my grandmothers that I was spending a lot of time with them, and they were sewing, mending garments, and I have been always fascinated by what you can do with your hands. I wanted to study something creative, so I explored several mediums from watercolors, oil paint, and charcoal.
Today I'm working on this skirt right now. I'm sewing, I'm here and working on a real thing. And then when I get tired of doing this, then I'm gonna go to the computer lab and kind of use them interchangeably to help work with each other.
I heard from someone that there was the virtual reality lab and there was something that could be used in my classes. So I said, okay, let's go and explore. So I started coming here once a week, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. And every time I was able to finish a nice dress look. So I said I should include that in my class. Students, when they are in virtual reality, they explore the project in a different way and they can create a very stunning illustration, exploring different tools and lights and colors and volume. So for them, it's a great experience. I love to explore many mediums because I think every medium is bringing more creativity in your work. I like using digital tools, but also going back to material and things that I can, touch and feel.
You're very curious about, let's try, hey, I heard about this. Oh, there's a place where we can try things. Then started working on what's the curriculum? How can I, teach this to the students?
I like to be informed of what is happening, what are the new innovations, and try them.
She's always coming up with new things to incorporate into the program, and I think that's what's gotten me so much experience. We worked on a post-mastectomy compression bra, Chiara and I, and then some medical and engineering students, which was really cool. I don't think I would have gotten to do that if I went somewhere else.
I feel that this job is very rewarding for me. See the student, how they develop over the semester and also how they grow during the years. You see, I hope to inspire them to pursue their dreams in becoming artists or designer and guide them to get started with their career in fashion.